Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that can significantly boost your travel experience, the black rooftop cargo box. We found this product online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the black rooftop cargo box? This large cargo carrier boasts an impressive 13 cubic feet of storage space, making it an excellent solution for those who need extra room for luggage, sports equipment, or camping gear when hitting the road. Designed to mount securely on top of your vehicle, it's perfect for road trips, family vacations, or adventurous getaways. One of the standout features of this cargo box is its durable construction. Made from sturdy ABS and PMMA materials, it promises long-lasting use while effectively protecting your belongings from the elements. Whether it's rain, snow, or intense sunlight, your valuables will remain safe and secure. With a capacity to hold up to 130 pounds, it can accommodate a variety of items without compromising your vehicle's stability. Another impressive feature is the dual-side opening design. This means you can easily load and unload your gear from both sides of the cargo box, making it incredibly convenient when you're parked in tight spots or need quick access to your belongings. Plus, the box opens on the passenger side to a generous 14 inches wide, allowing you to store bulkier items with ease. And the best part? The lid stays open until you close it, so you won't have to worry about it slamming shut while you're trying to load your gear. Security is also a top priority with this cargo box. It features a double secure lock system with a super latch that ensures your valuables are safe while you're on the road. The box comes with 2 keys, and a unique feature is that the key can only be removed after the cover is closed and locked, giving you peace of mind. Installation is a breeze with the black rooftop cargo box. It requires no tools and can be set up quickly, so you can hit the road in no time. This makes it an ideal choice for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a reliable storage solution for their vehicle. Practical use cases are endless. Whether you're planning a family camping trip and need to store tents and sleeping bags, or you're heading to the beach with surfboards and beach gear, this cargo box can handle it all. It adds significant cargo space without impeding passenger comfort, allowing everyone to travel comfortably. In summary, if you're looking for a robust, spacious, and secure rooftop cargo solution, the black rooftop cargo box is definitely worth considering. It's designed for anyone who needs extra storage while traveling, making it a versatile addition to your vehicle. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.